In this fast-paced world of today, we are consumed by our professional and personal responsibilities, so we lack time for our professional development. We feel that we are lagging behind as there is a continuous stream of new technology, processes, and standards that need to be mastered. In order to make your life easier and build up your professional skills, Master of Project Academy has designed the PM Master Plus Virtual Bundle. This is for all of you busy professionals who want to advance your career and want to learn emerging management trends continuously. Master of Project Academy so far has helped over 500,000 professionals from 180 countries to learn new skills, prepare for and pass their professional certification exams. If you're looking to earn several project management and IT certifications, PM Master Plus Trademark Virtual All Courses Bundle is ideal for you. In this package that offers over 25 self-paced and live online courses, you will get access to courses such as PMP Registered, MS Project, CAPM, PMI-ACP, Lean Six Sigma, Agile, Scrum, MS Excel, Cybersecurity, Networking, and many other training offers that will help you get different professional certifications. This PM bundle offers over 1,000 hours and 3,000 plus high-quality lectures, 4,000 plus practice questions for certification exams, handouts, cheat sheets, supporting documents, and 24/7 support by our instructors and experts. All of the certification training programs in the PM bundle are created by experienced project management and IT professionals. The courses are structured around all domain areas of certifying authorities, giving you the practical knowledge and confident mindset to achieve certification. As you can see in this graphic, according to our post-certification survey results, certifications bring new skills and a higher salary to IT and business professionals. All IT and business professionals aiming to take a step ahead in their project management and IT career can enroll in this course bundle. PM Master Plus Virtual Bundle is also ideal for project managers, associate assistant, manager, projects, team leads, managers, project executives, engineers, product managers, product owners, scrum masters, software developers, any professional aspiring to be a project manager, IT security professionals, security architects, network engineers, network architects. With a 99.6% first-time pass rate and more than 300,000 past students, this affordable, self-paced online training bundle is designed to boost your certification chances and help you stand out in your search for a rewarding career in project management and IT. PM Master Plus Virtual All Courses Bundle was featured in Wall Street Journal. This is what they write about this unique training offering. Master of Project Academy allows professionals to advance their training in a schedule that fits their busy lives. No set dates and no set number of hours. No need to take time off to accommodate a course schedule in a physical classroom. And with 24-hour assistance, professionals have access to help whenever they need it. We are confident that this will be the only training bundle that you will need for the years to come. It provides a comprehensive training courses package in the following categories: project management certification courses, Agile and Scrum certification courses, IT certification courses, and cybersecurity certification courses. Let's look at the details of each of these great professional development offerings. 1. Project management certification courses included in the PM Master Plus Virtual Bundle. PMP certification training, 35 contact hours live online or self-paced training. Our most popular training, PMP certification training, is offered in a live online or self-paced format. Live online PMP training. The PMP virtual training course will provide you with the knowledge to improve your project management skills and successfully pass the PMP exam. This virtual class is delivered by our experienced professional PMP instructors with many years of project management and teaching experience. During the training, the instructors use real-world examples and case studies to explain the project management concepts. The participants are at all times encouraged to ask questions and provide input from their own experiences. Each day of class starts with a review of topics discussed the previous day, which serves as a segue into the new topics. You will also receive a 25-plus page PMP review document that provides a high-level summary of all key concepts discussed during the training. At the end of the training, the students go through a mini-test to create a baseline of their gained knowledge. This mini-test is particularly important as it helps you identify weak points to focus on during your study. Completing this online PMP training, you earn 35 PDU to help your PM education eligibility for the PMP certification exam. Self-paced PMP training. With the self-paced training offer, you can study and prepare at your own pace at any time and place to fit your busy schedule. Master of Project Academy also provides an online moderated PMP peer forum where you can participate in active discussions. As a part of this PMP self-paced course, you will be able to access high-quality supporting study tools such as flashcards, cheat sheets, and over 750 practice questions to test your knowledge and prepare for certification. You can also assess your readiness for the real exam with a full-length sample PMP mock exam. Master of Project Academy also provides an online moderated PMP peer forum where students can participate in active discussions. As a part of this PMP virtual training course, the students receive comprehensive explanations and step-by-step guidance on how to apply for the PMP exam. CAPM certification training, 23 contact hours self-paced training. CAPM certification training is ideal for you if you are entering the project management field for the first time, aiming to become a CAPM, or if you are a project coordinator looking to advance your career with increased knowledge and skills. Created by experienced project management professionals, Master of Project Academy CAPM certification training is structured around the domains of project management and provides the students with the practical knowledge and confidence to achieve the certification. At the end of the course, you can test yourself with a full mock CAPM exam so you can assess your readiness for the real test. You can download more than 600 questions and find answers with explanations to help you clarify the concepts further. You can reach out and get support from the instructor within a 24-hour window. Microsoft Project Training Bundle, 17+ hours online lecture. Good project planning is the foundation of the project's success. Microsoft Project is a project planning tool used by several Fortune 500 corporate companies as well as independent project management professionals. Learning how to work with Microsoft Project and creating winning project plans in MS Project will advance your project management career. This self-paced training will provide you with clear step-by-step guidelines on how to create your project plans in MS Project. You will also learn how to create tasks, manage resources assigned to tasks, make baselines, do reporting, and much more. The training is designed in such a manner that you will learn how to create a project plan through a real-world project example. You will gain valuable skills to effectively manage costs, including setting fixed costs, budgets, variable costs, deadlines, and overcoming scheduling issues. At the end of the sections, you will be able to test your understanding with targeted quizzes. All participants will be able to download handouts and materials or use the online versions. As a bonus, if you are already PMP certified, you will earn 17 PDU upon completion of this training course. In addition, PM Master Bundle offers Microsoft Power BI Training, Fundamentals of DevOps Training, PM Core Project Management Training for Business, Microsoft Excel Training, 8 hours online MS Excel course, and Lean Six Sigma Green Belt Certification Training. 2. Agile and Scrum certification courses included in the PM Master Plus Virtual Bundle. PMI-ACP certification training. If you're looking to learn Agile project management skills or advance your PM career, getting a PMI-ACP is an essential certification that will provide you with all the necessary knowledge on Agile principles and skills. You will learn how to apply different Agile techniques and different Agile methodologies such as Kanban, Scrum, Lean, and Extreme Programming. The PMI-ACP certification by the Project Management Institute demonstrates your knowledge and experience in Agile project management and is recognized across industries worldwide. PMI-ACP training earns you 21 contact hours to help your Agile education eligibility for the PMI-ACP certification exam. Unlike in-person certification training boot camps, you can study and prepare at your own pace to fit your busy schedule. You will get 24/7 assistance from our expert support team, and you will also be enrolled in an online moderated PMI-ACP peer forum to participate in active discussions. This PMI-ACP training comes with downloadable high-quality PMI-ACP study handouts and over 150 practice questions to test your skills and prepare for certification. Agile Scrum certification training. If you're a professional with experience in participating, leading, and directing projects, this online Agile Scrum course will help you to learn Agile project management foundations and Scrum framework and help you pass the exam. This online course is 100% self-paced, so you can study around your busy schedule. This lifetime access option offers 50+ lectures and over 10 hours of video presentations, where you will learn the Agile methodologies and Agile project management foundations, Scrum framework, as well as the roles and responsibilities of the Scrum team. You will also get an understanding of extreme programming, Lean, and Kanban Agile methodologies. In addition to the above training courses, PM Master Bundle offers Scrum Master Training, Self-Paced Online Scrum Product Owner Certification, Self-Paced Online and Leading Safe Certification Training, Certified Safe Registered Agilist Online Course. 3. IT certification courses included in the PM Master Plus Virtual Bundle. IT Service Management Certification Training. The IT Service Management Foundation certification is considered the entry-level qualification in the field of IT service management. This ITSM certification training focuses on the key elements. CISA certification training. If you are a professional with experience in participating, leading, and directing information system projects, this online CISA course will help you prepare for CISA certification and boost your chances of passing the first time, even if you're currently working full-time. This self-paced training offers lifetime access to over 70 lectures and over 10 hours of video content. You will get a clear understanding of CISA concepts and identify legal issues, regulations, compliance standards, and investigation practices relating to information systems. 4. Cybersecurity certification courses included in the PM Master Plus Virtual Bundle. Ethical Hacker from Zero to Hero Training. This self-paced online ethical hacker course is for professionals with experience in participating, leading, and directing cybersecurity projects. The training consists of over 80 lectures and more than 17 hours of video content. It will help you prepare for real-world hacking cases and boost your chances of finding a good ethical hacking job. This course will provide you with knowledge and understanding of how to hack any system, networks, wireless applications, websites, and bypass different security layers after getting proper approval, and evaluate the security level and breaches in any organization. CISSP certification training. Certified Information Systems Security Professional certification is the most important industry-recognized certification for cybersecurity professionals. This self-paced online course offers the convenience of studying for the CISSP certification course at any time and in any place and getting fully prepared for the exam. Created by experienced cybersecurity professionals, our CISSP online training is structured around the certification exam as prescribed by Superscript 2, including over 700 practice questions, giving you the practical knowledge and confident mindset to achieve certification. Comparative overview of PM Master Plus Virtual Bundle. If we didn't convince you already that this is the best investment to improve your knowledge and gain more professional skills to improve your career, let us give you one more reason why you shouldn't look further, as you get the best offer at the most competitive pricing on the market. In the below chart, we provide a non-biased comparison of Master of Project Academy with other competitors in the market. The table includes the pricing, reviews, training options, and refund policies.